Hello everyone, my name is Keisha from Kmo Artsy Journals, and for more art and journal inspiration, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok at that handle. Today, we will be decorative planning in our Archer and Olive planners. In this video, I will be sharing what decorative planning is, what tools I use to create it, and how I design the page. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. Now let's talk a little bit about what decorative planning is. Decorative planning is a design approach that focuses on the aesthetic aspects of your planner. The goal of decorative planning is to enhance the visual appeal of your planner each week, thus keeping you motivated to actually use your planner consistently. In the planner community, decorative planning is also referred to as a planner spread or a weekly spread. Now you may be asking yourself, what is a planner community? Planner community can be found in social media spaces such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. In this community, its participants share their planner spreads, planner ideas, planner hauls, and helpful planner tips, and more. Now that we know what decorative planning is, let's talk a little bit about how to design your planner pages. Your planning style is totally up to you. Here are a few styles to consider. For the purposes of this video, I have chosen to use the sticker enthusiast style. To begin my process, I start with searching for stickers that fit within my theme. And once I have decided on the theme that I want, I use kitchen wax paper to set aside the stickers. The wax paper allows you to not have to commit to a sticker if you decide that you don't want to use it. It also allows you to choose your stickers from multiple sticker books. This helps to keep your theme cohesive. Now that I have selected my stickers, it's time to place them in my planner. As you see here, I have correcting tape. The use of correcting tape is optional. However, if you are a stickler for details, you may opt to use it if you don't want to see the lines of your planner layout or if you're layering stickers. Again, this process is optional. Next, I'm going to add a bit of functionality to my spread by adding checkoff points. Using markers in your planner is optional. However, for me, I like to add bits of my personality to my planner spreads. So I'm adding a border to this section of my planner for a little extra style. Now I'm going to add a few stickers. I'm also going to use the planner stencil made by Archer and Olive, as well as their coleograph markers for the finishing touches. And we're done. Thank you so much for checking out my tips on decorative planning. I hope that you have found some inspiration in this video. Be sure to check out the free printable available with the blog, and I'll see you next time. Bye!